The TSR rule, y'all are probably going to see me talk about this a lot. So there's still companies doing this stuff right here. You're not supposed to do it. You're not supposed to be offering consultations via telephone or via Zoom calls. Now I know a lot of these credit repair companies, they don't care. They need to make money. We all need to make money. But you cannot do that anymore. A customer that wants to sign up for your services has to go to your website, sign up, upload all the required documents, the credit monitoring information, and whether they're paying with a debit card or a credit card, they have to upload that information, and then we have to charge the consumer first. Once that has happened, now you can have a consultation via phone or a consultation via Zoom call. Now, one thing you are protected under is once you sign up for services with a credit repair company, legally they have to give you 3 days to cancel. So if somebody were to go to my website today, sign up for my services, make that processing fee payment, and 2 days later, for whatever reason, they decide they don't want my services. And this doesn't just include me, this is everybody that does credit repair. I hope y'all already know this. Legally, you have to give them a full refund, no questions asked. Now, I feel like the reason that they're really enforcing this now is because this is going to shut down a lot of credit repair companies, because most consumers aren't just going to run to your website and sign up and upload their card information to make a payment without talking to you first. I had about 15 people sign up yesterday. Had it not been for me not being able to hop on a call, I would have had close to 20 people sign up. There was about 4 or 5 of them that would not sign up because I wouldn't talk to them first. I know this is not something that y'all want to do. This is not how y'all want it set up. It's not how I want it set up, but guess what? I'm going to follow the laws and I'm going to do this the right way. If I lose business, that's just a part of it. What these companies don't understand, who are still offering these consultations before you sign up, they're risking being set up, because there's people out here trying to set people up and then report them to the FTC and the CFPB. They can sue you and shut you down. Unless you got the money the guy that owns CRC has, which is millions of dollars, you're going to be shut down for good. So just make sure, and this is for my credit repair owners and for consumers, if you go to a credit repair company's website, their phone number cannot be listed on the website. They cannot offer consultations on their website. This is a huge deal. They're going to start suing more and more people. They always start with the big fish. That's why they went after the CRC owner, or Credit Repair Cloud owner, Daniel Rosen, first. It's going to trickle down to the smaller people like myself and others. So the best thing you can do is make sure that you are as compliant as possible with this TSR rule, because they are enforcing it now. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.